Hi there, and welcome to the red carpet. I'm really excited because I got a new microphone, and I'm hoping that this makes the quality of the videos even better. So I'm excited about that. And this video, I'm going to put together some furniture, little entryway furniture for our dollhouse. So before I show you how I put it together, I'm going to ask that you please subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell. I'd appreciate that so much. So I am scrolling a list of materials to create these furniture pieces, and the basic thing that we're going to need is empty cardboard rolls. So the first thing I'm going to do is take scrap pieces of cardboard. I'm just going to use my ruler to create these straight planks. I'll need 2 of them, and they're going to be about 6 inches. So I'll cut those out, and I'm going to make 2 sets of 2 6 inches and then 2 sets of 2 3 inches. So I'm going to glue the 2 sets together. And then we'll cover with metallic paper. This is the same gift bag, the silver gift bag that I've been cutting up for a bunch of different projects, and this is like the last of it. So I'm going to carefully cover around the corners, making everything nice and neat. And I'm low on paper, so I'm just doing 3 sides and leaving the back open. Carefully trim. Of course, using caution with sharp objects. So I should have 2 short ones and 2 longer ones. Now I'm going to take my empty cardboard roll. This is from masking tape. I'm going to cover the outside with the shiny paper, and then I also have another cardboard roll from a ribbon, and I'll be covering the inside of that, not the outside. We're going to cover the inside. Then we'll take a piece of either cardstock or poster board. We'll trace the outer cardboard roll, and then again we'll trace the inner cardboard roll. We're going to cut that out and cover it with metallic paper also. And then we will carefully hot glue everything to the cardboard roll. So we'll do the outer roll on the outside, inner roll in the center circle, using caution with hot glue, of course. And just to cover up that little seam, I'm going to use a piece of washi tape. I'm going to cut that really thin and just cover up that end piece all the way around. So I'm going to assemble all the pieces together. We're going to put our larger plank down, hot glue a shorter plank, then we'll hot glue our cardboard rolls, then we'll add the additional planks on the top. Here's the back. Later on I'll probably just trace out another piece of cardstock, cover it up later on. But for now, the front looks really nice, and we're going to continue to create pieces for our entryway. So we're going to start with like a little floral vase. Not floral, it's going to have feathers. We're using feathers. So we're going to glue 2 bottle caps together, and we're going to burn a hole in the center. Of course, always using caution with your hot glue gun. I'm showing you that I'm not pressing the trigger at all. I'm just using the heat from the tip to burn the hole. and then I'm going to turn it to the side, and we want to flatten out the bottom so that the bottle caps can stand. Very, very carefully, just kind of rubbing across the bottom so that it's flat, and now our little quickie base can stand. So from here, I'm taking a wooden skewer and I am using some feathers. This is a feather boa from the toy department at the dollar store, and it has a rope in the center. So I'm going to push the wooden skewer through the rope so that our feathers can stand. I trimmed it, and then we're going to carefully use hot glue to glue in the wooden skewer inside of our hole that we burned. So now we're just going to decorate our bottle cap with a little white glitter. And here it is, quick, easy, simple, and it's like a really cute little decorative piece. So now to make a lamp, I want our lamp to light up. So I'm using this flameless tea candle, battery operated, and the quickest way to using lamps is with the push pops. And it fits on there perfectly. So to make the base of the lamp, I'm just going to use a scrap piece of cardstock paper. And that's actually from packaging. It's on the back of the scrapbooking paper. So I'm also using this rhinestone to decorate it. So I want to trace the size of the rhinestone, the width of it. And it has 4 sides, so I'm going to need 4 panels plus the extra side as a tab. So I have my 4, and then I'm going to cut the little extra part for the tab. And from here, I'll use the ruler to help me fold on the line, so I can have nice, sharp lines to create the base of our lamp. Make those corners nice and crisp. So I'm going to fold on the lines, and it creates a little boxy shape. And then I'll close it with a little glue. I trimmed it down, and then we're going to glue on some rhinestones. Then I'll glue in the push pop, and I use a little piece of cardstock to close up the bottom. And for the lampshade, I used wire and clear tape, and then I'm going to cover the lampshade with sheer ribbon. I'm really not too excited about how it turned out. I think I probably should have used like a tool instead and just kind of wrapped it around there. I trimmed it with some diamond wrap, and you drop the tea candle in, and now your lamp lights up. So lastly, I'm going to create some wall art by wrapping a glue stick in our metallic paper. And I'm also using actual glue sticks, these glitter glue sticks. I'm going to arrange them on a piece of cardstock, kind of stagger them, and glue them on to the cardstock to create a wall piece. Now it has a lot of weight to it. The glue sticks are really heavy. So if you were to try this at home, I would suggest that you just use clear straws and metallic tape. It'd probably be a whole lot quicker and easier to do that. But here are all of our pieces. We have the console and the feathers, the lamp, the wall art, and the chair we made from a previous video. You can check that out on YouTube. I dimmed the lights, turned on our lamp, and here it is. So it's a really cute piece. I enjoyed putting it together. I would do the lampshade differently, but now I know. Let me know what you think. I'd love to see if you guys have any ideas, if it's something that you would do a little differently. I always love to hear from you. You guys are the best. I thank you so much for your support. And I just encourage you to reach out to me. Hit me up on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter. Please, please, please leave comments, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Again, I appreciate you so much. I can't do this without you. I love your comments. And for leaving a comment on the last video, I would like to send an official welcome to the red carpet to Queen Oh So Crafty. I appreciate you again so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you for watching. I'll see you at the next video. And remember, it's more fun to make it.